Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to log out of your Telegram account on Telegram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. On Telegram app, first off, go into settings, and right here all you have to do is tap on edit and then move on to the bottom of the page where you can easily find this logout button. You can tap on that button and it shows different other options. You can from here add another account, you can set a passcode, you can clear cache, change phone number, and you can contact Telegram support. If you still want to log out of your account, you can just hit right here where it says log out. Keep in mind that logging out deactivates all secret chats. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist. You can easily find it in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.